Somewhere right now, a 23-year-old is being rejected for an apartment. Not because of income. Not because of character. Because of 3 digits she's never seen, calculated by a formula she's never read, built from a file she didn't know existed. That's credit. And in 2026, it decides more about your life than your degree does. Here's the uncomfortable part. You can't build credit without debt. And you can't get debt without credit. It's a locked door that only opens from the inside. So how does anyone get in? Quietly, through side entrances most people never notice. Secured credit cards. You hand a bank $200 as collateral. They hand you a card with a $200 limit. You spend $15 on coffee, pay it off before the due date, and somewhere in a data center, a number moves. That number is your FICO score. 5 ingredients. Payment history worth 35%. Amounts owed, 30%. Length of history, 15%. New credit and credit mix splitting the rest. Notice what's missing. Your salary isn't in there. Your savings aren't in there. A surgeon and a bartender can have identical scores. The system doesn't measure wealth. It measures obedience to a schedule. That's the part nobody puts in the headlines. Here's where hype and reality split. Influencers say build credit fast, get a card, get a loan, stack accounts. Reality says score models punish speed. Open 3 cards in a month, and lenders read that as desperation, not ambition. The score doesn't reward hustle. It rewards patience wearing a disguise of good behavior. And patience has a price tag. Average time to go from 0 to a good score, 700 plus, is 18 to 24 months. Not because the math is complicated. Because trust, even algorithmic trust, still runs on time. Zoom out, and it gets stranger. This score now decides your apartment, your insurance premium, sometimes your job application. A financial reputation system, invisible, unelected, quietly ranking adults like a credit-based social score we pretend doesn't exist here. So the real question isn't how to build credit from zero. It's why we let a number we can't see decide who counts as trustworthy.